Welcome. In front of me I have the iPhone 14, just the base one, and today I will do a little bit of a different video showcasing a case for this phone. So these will be, I guess, more premium cases that you get to pay a little bit more than you typically do, I guess. Pun intended. I'm not gonna do that again. So yeah, you can see these are from obviously GS company, and this one is the brown stripped, whatever brown. I did also showcase a different one for the 14 Pro, a little bit more pink color, so you can see the specific version of it right here. So there we go. Though obviously that one is not necessarily my cup of tea. This one might be a little bit more, but obviously if none of those really suit you, which obviously not everybody might like them, then I'll also have this one, which this one actually seems like it's going to be more my cup of tea, the way it looks like, but this will be in a different video. So anyway, I just pop it open. That's neat. Now, I'm pretty sure this is just like some plastic or rubber that is glued in here, but I don't know. The case itself is pretty stiff, and one thing that I do kind of see right here, there is a spacing between these two layers, which hopefully with time they won't start coming off, because you can basically see like the space between here. So if I'm correct, it would mean that the actual like case itself is hollow in here, and then they just glue in this layer and this layer separately. So hopefully that won't start coming off after some time. But anyway, let's just test fit it. One thing that I'll mention is when it comes down to certain cases, for instance, like for the one that I have right here, the 14 Pro, I do have applied the little camera protection module, the basically protection glass for the cameras, so you can see it right here. And if you have some cases like this, then as you probably figure out, it won't apply correctly, just because this should normally go around the lenses, but because now it has a little protection also, it just can't. So you can see that it will never basically go fully on, which it looks like with case like this. Also the pink one that I showed before, it's fine because they don't have any kind of like circular areas for the cameras deliberately made. So just put it on. And you can see even with the camera protection, because I have one right here as well, you can kind of see it right here, the case itself has a little bit of a bezel around the camera module, which completely covers it, along even with the camera like protection that I have on. So you can see that it's might be just like at the same level or a little bit above the bezel, but it's barely noticeable. And there we go. That's kind of how it looks like on a phone. Probably not the best choice between like brown and blue color. But yeah, there we go. And obviously you still have the buttons right here, little switch, volume. Every port is accessible and visible, so yeah, that's it. So it was a fairly simple video, and there's not much more to it. So if you found it helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.